why James Finies? Why not the local politicians to do what we're doing? It's a very frequently asked question, and so I just want to reiterate that, like what James said, the government could never do this, but our local politicians will never be able to meet with leaders around the world like we did. Leaders in the Latin American countries or the Caribbean, they will never be able to do that. And like James explained, they have to get permission from Holland because everything outside of Boneiru has to do with the international relationships, have to do with Holland, not to do with our local politicians. So people like Clark, Abraham, I want to say it very clearly, people like Daisy Coffey, people like Elvis Chinachou cannot and will never be able to meet with leaders around the world. They can never do it because they have to, the Holland have to do it, not them. So when our people, a small percent of people think and don't understand what civil society has played in Boneiru, even Curacao leaders cannot meet those leaders, even Aruba leaders cannot meet those leaders because the international relationships come from Holland. So as civil society in the Netherlands and Antilles Island, we are actually made history. I only want to reiterate, we made history as civil society. And as James explained, after today, Noski Boneiru has completed its mission. So we're going to the next phase, and the next phase is a big surprise, and we won't want to talk about our big surprise, and that's next step. The next step is, in the coming weeks, we will explain what the next step is.